Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to Pykara Waterfalls in Ooty. And it is a 500 meters walkway. And near the Pykara Waterfalls, some shops are there also. You can also visit them. You can eat here so many things. And here you can also drink coconut water. And you can also eat some boiled sweet corns here and some fruits. And see, that way is the battery car. You can go there to take the battery car. And we also took the battery car to go to the Pykara Waterfalls. And it was a very long way, so we took this. And some people are also walking to the Pykara Waterfalls. And this battery car is 20 rupees per person for adults. And the view is so beautiful and amazing. And we enjoyed a lot at this battery car. And we can also feel the air, and it was very cold and very fresh. And we are almost reached the Pykara Waterfalls. And the entry fee is 30 rupees per person is charged at the falls. And now we are getting off the battery car. And see, when you enter, you can see the Pykara Waterfalls sign at the top. And the season was very good too. And here you can also go to the children's park. And see the grass, it is very beautiful and all the things are very greenery. And see the waterfalls, they are very beautiful. And you need to go to the stairs to see the waterfalls. And the stairs are very down, so you can also go there if you like. And see, you can see the waterfalls. And we are also walking to the stairs. We are walking down. And it is 65 to 200 wide steps to reach the best viewpoint. And see the waterfalls. They are very beautiful. And you can also see some Nilgiri mountains also. And we enjoyed a lot here. And if you want to take some photos or videos, you can stop in the between and take them. And look the waterfalls. And it is popular nature retreat surrounded by pine forest and rolling green hills. And all the people were taking some photos and videos, and it was very beautiful and we also enjoyed. And Pykara Waterfalls located about 21 kilometers from Ooty on the Ooty Mysore road. And look the waterfalls, they are very beautiful and you can visit them to October or to March months, and we came in April, so we came at this month and it was very beautiful and the season also was very good. And now we are going back because it was rain season, so we thought it would be rain, so we are going back. And we took some photos and videos and we enjoyed a lot, and it was a very beautiful place. And look the view, it is very beautiful. And now we are going up from the stairs. And it will take little bit time to go up. And you must also visit to this place. And we enjoyed a lot here, and some people are also coming to the Pykara Waterfalls to see the waterfalls. And look the view, it is very beautiful, and you must also visit to this place. And if you are in Ooty, and you can also visit so many places in Ooty. And we are almost reached the top. And look at the view. It is very beautiful from the top. And we are now waiting because the rain was coming, so we also walked. And here you can also visit the children's park. And the rain is coming very fast, and it was also a little foggy. And all the people are waiting here. And the battery car didn't came because of the rain. And you must also visit to the Pykara Waterfalls. all the people also walked, and we also walked. And when we walked, we also came to the shops and we ate some Maggi, some boiled sweet corn. And we enjoyed a lot here. And you can also visit to the stalls if you are hungry. And we ate so many things here, like some Maggi, sweet corn, and some other things. And here you can also eat some chickpeas or peanuts. And here you can also eat sweet corn chaats, and it is 70 rupees. And some shops you can get any type of sweet corn you like plain sweet corn or spicy sweet corn. And they were very tasty. And near that you can also go to the homemade chocolate shop. And they were very tasty. And look the view, it is very beautiful. And now the rain has stopped. And now we are going back. And here you can also do some shopping also. And now we are going back to our hotel.
Oh yeah, 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 oh yeah. Hey there, what you drinking? 2 shots, let's pour it out. I know what you're thinking, but tomorrow won't come for us. This life that we're living, ain't never gonna give it up. Double shot for the gifted, and one more for us. There you go, drink it up. All this love in a cup. Yeah, we go slow, we go fast. Yeah, we can't get enough. We stay all day, all night, living in paradise. Remember, you don't get it twice. The time of your life. This is the time of your life. Remember, you don't get it twice. The time of your life. Don't look at the past, no, we're not going that way. Oh, now make it last, make it last to the break of day. No matter what people say, live life in a fast lane. Double shot for the gifted, triple shot for the pain. There you go, drink it up, all this love in a cup. Yeah, we go slow, we go fast. Yeah, we can't get enough. We stay all day, all night, living in paradise. Remember, you don't get it twice. The time of your life. This is the time of your life. don't get it twice. The time of your life. Remember, you don't get it twice. The time of your life.